What's up, guys? So I'm at Barney's right now in Lakewood. This is like an icon in Jersey. So I have the STI over here, getting the wheels and tires put on. There's my blue lugs. Working on that. So here it is. Here's the new setup. Love it. Looks absolutely ecstatic. Robert here is taking care of me. If you know anybody, look out for Robert. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We'll be doing another second video of this when it's all complete and finished. But I am absolutely in love with this setup right here. So thanks again, guys. Stay tuned. Out.